Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you a quick hoop transition for the hinge twist flip, which is good for off-body to on-body hooping. It's a great transition. So what you're going to do is I'm starting the hoop in the right hand, thumb up, outside grip, and I'm simply going to hinge the hoop in. So, and depending on what size your hoop is going to depend on this next particular move. So first I'm hinging the hoop in, and you're going to grab straight across with the hoop. Now, if you want, you can also hinge a little bit lower if you have a bigger hoop, and because you're going to flip the hoop over towards you. And you can do this multiple times in a palm spin. So what I'm doing is I'm going halfway across and I'm spinning in between the hands. And I can also do a finger twist with this, so I can interlace with the fingers to get a little extra spin that way. Now you want to have a hoop size that you can clear the hoop. So if you have a large, gigantic hoop, this is going to be a little hard to do, so you may only get one flip in. In which case, if you're doing that, you might be able to toss and catch and flip this onto the body from there. So that's an alteration that you can do, an alternative, if you will, that if you have a larger hoop, to be able to catch and flip on the body. And then you're going to flip this onto the body. So just hinge or flip this onto the body, and then you can switch your grip and just start waist hooping. So once again, you're hinging, catch, twist, flip, and then twist, flip that onto the body. So once again, hinge, twist, flip onto the body. Now you can add a little personal style to this too. So add a little movement, twist. You can turn with this and get a little style in there too. So add your personal take to this as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I've been Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Please join me and subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up on this video, share it, and also visit the website, hipthehoopla.com. Thank you so much for watching. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.